Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to take you on a trail starting from the Howth Summit and ending at the Howth Harbour, and on the way we are also going to walk down to the Secret Beach of Howth, which is a hidden gem. To get directly to the summit you need to take bus number 6 from Abbey Street in the Dublin city centre. When you arrive at the Summit Inn, you have to cross the road and walk straight for about 10 minutes until you reach the starting point of the trail. Where we are currently. We have to get from here all the way to the harbor. There is a path that leads to the secret beach, but make sure you're wearing shoes with a grip, and if you are afraid of heights, bring someone with you to support you. I went on this hike alone and the path is kind of hidden. I was not sure there is a proper path and it seemed a bit steep. So just when I was about to walk away, the universe sent me a young gentleman who helped me to walk down to the beach and discover this magical place.
They were ahead of me when I started my hiking.
So this is my new friend, Mitul. Metal, like heavy metal.
Yeah.
Going up will be really tough. I can feel it from now.
No.
Oh. But honestly, if you didn't show up, I wouldn't know that there is a beach here. This is a little bit steep.
And then he makes his way around this way. What settings do you keep? Or do you... Oh, you actually have the same.
I was hoping to see the lighthouse.
Yeah.
And then I met you and you told me about the secret beach. So you see,
That's worth it.
this is adventure.
It is.
You never know where you'll end up. If you're a little bit drunk here, it's dangerous.
It is.
it says King George IV. In 1821 he left his footsteps. So there are 16 places in that direction. I can show you one of them. I can show you one of them.
Oh, I see one.
Yeah, which is quite obvious. From now on, this is my favorite trail because apart from visiting the Secret Beach, which can be a bit challenging, this trail goes downhill, it's easy, and the scenery is just wow. I have enjoyed this adventure, and the best part of it is that I went with the idea I would be exploring alone, and I ended up meeting some interesting people. So this vlog is not only about the beauty of Mother Nature and the trails in Howth, it's also about unexpected encounters, new friendships, and the celebration of our shared humanity. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next week.